Hi, so today we're going to be turning a piece of firewood into $400 worth of product. I've chosen curly maple and we're going to be making tapestry bobbins. So first step is to get them down into blanks. This is my dad. He's going to be helping with the bandsaw. He doesn't let me use it yet because it can be a little dangerous. So let's get started. The first step in turning the firewood into blanks is to flatten out the sides. So that's what my dad's doing right now. Next, you're going to measure the dimension for your blanks and begin to cut. Once you've cut them into slices, you can then start cutting them into cubes. And now that they're cut into blanks, we can cut them a little shorter so they'll fit into my stabilization tube, which is how we're going to dye these blanks different colors. Okay, so now it's time to start stabilizing. First, you're going to bake the wood dry so that it has no water in it. Then you're going to put it in my vacuum chamber. You're going to weigh it down. You're going to suck out all the air, and then you're going to let it sit for a while to make sure the bubbles finish. And then you're going to release the pressure. The wood will suck up the liquid, which is called cactus juice, but it's not actually cactus juice. It's a clear liquid that you can dye different colors. Then you're going to bake that liquid hard, and you get stabilized wood. So the next step is to turn your blanks into a preferred shape. I'm going to make tapestry bobbins, as I mentioned before. A tapestry bobbin is basically a shuttle for weaving, only in tapestry you make a picture instead of just patterns. So the general shape is a round bit at the end with a dowel in the middle, and then it goes back up and tapers down to a point. Once it's turned to the shape, next you need to start sanding. So you're going to go through several different grits. A lower number grit is more coarse, so you start with those, and then you build your way up to a higher number grit. once you finish with sandpaper, then I generally go on to these buffing pads. They're kind of like the stuff that you use for your nails, only for wood turning. Now generally after I was done with the buffing pads, I would move on to putting a little bit of finish on this, but the problem with that is it could stain the yarn that you're going to wrap around the tool later. So you're going to move straight onto the buffing wheel. And they're finished. Thanks for watching.